Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. If you are new here, I show you how to draw something new every day. So if you are new, please consider subscribing. That would be awesome. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Jackie, the NerdECrafter. So I'm going to start drawing Jackie with, I'm going to do a curve like this. And this is actually going to be the curve of her Bulbasaur hat. And I'm going to do an eye now. So I'm going to do a shape like that. And circle with a circle in it. And then we're going to have a little circle in behind that, and that's going to be colored in all dark. And now I'm going to do an eyebrow, and it's slanting downward. And I'm going to color that one in dark too. I'm going to thicken this top line here a little bit. All right, so next we're going to do the other eye. And the other eye is going to have a different look to it. This one's going to be like that. And then we can do the circle inside, and the other circle, and then the middle circle, dark. And then we can do another eyebrow. I'm going to color that one in all dark too. All right. And next, I'm going to start with the nose next. So I'm going to do a bit of a silly little shape. So it's kind of like a U, but I got a little bit of a curve right here. And then I can do a little nostril right here. And I can curve up like that right there. And next, I'm gonna do a little line coming down here and a little line coming down here. And now I'm gonna work on the Bulbasaur hat. So I'm gonna do a little triangle right there and right there. And I can come on up. And work on that hat. I'm coming on down. And put a few little lines here in the fabric. All right, so the way that the hat fits on the head, Bulbasaur isn't going to be looking directly at us. Bulbasaur's nose is going to be right here. We got those two little lines, kind of matching up with the slanted eyebrows. Slanted nostrils, slanted eyebrows. And we can do like a little V shape right here for the Bulbasaur mouth. And we can come on over. You can see that we're curving with the curve of the hat. So we're curving, and we come on up a little bit. And then over on this side, we're curving, and coming on up a little bit. Now, let's do the eyes. So I've started over here, and the eye is curving that way. And I'm going to start the other one right here. And come on over, and come on up. And I can draw a line right here. And one right here. And a big U. And another big U right here. So the inside of the Bulbasaur eyes. And then we need a few little shapes here. Bulbasaur's got a couple little funny little shapes on his head. Okay, so next I'm going to continue drawing Jackie's face shape. So I can draw a rounded shape like that. And she's going to have a great big salty frown on her face. like that. Great big upside down U. And I'm going to thicken up the end of both of those lines. Okay. I'm also going to put like a few little flicks of hair coming out on both sides here underneath the hat. So I'm going to do some little flicks right there. Some little flicks right there. And we can do a neck and shoulders. All right, so I actually think this turned out pretty good, but let's get coloring now. I think it'll look even better when we're done coloring. All right, folks, I am finished drawing Jackie, the Nerdy Crafter. Let me know in the comments below if you like watching her videos too, or also let me know who you think I should draw next. All right, everyone, have a great day. Goodbye.